Well, we're back with the part 2. We've made a couple design tweaks to the cover. Got rid of excess material on the top that's not needed. Added some strengthening ribs. Added the mounting hole. I'll maybe in future iterations make the hole a little bit smaller. But you know, you press the carriage hard up and it won't touch it. Now it will if you do either side of the blade, but that's just the design of this tool. And then I was also looking at my belt here. This belt is pretty brand new. I mean, it's been on the machine a little bit, but I've cut maybe 2 or 3 keys and the belt's already cracking. And this is unfortunately an Elco original belt, but quite possibly you're supposed to store them with the belt loose. I could have screwed up on that part, but I will be posting this to Thingiverse, and people can make changes to it and print their own if they like. We'll call it a video at that.